The homework tonight all centers on the idea of the arcs of a circle. Now remember, an arc is part of the outside of the circle, and it's measured the same way that we measure angles. They're measured in degrees. For example, if in this particular circle we have, let's call the center of the circle E. If we have angle BEA is 38 degrees, then we would also say that the arc that it forms right here along the outside is also 38 degrees. And we're going to use that fact along with the idea that the entire circle is 360 degrees to solve for the following arcs that we see here on the right. So number one, they're asking for BD. And so BD, if I follow the shortest path from B to D, is this yellow arc right here. We need to figure out how many degrees this is. If I know the whole circle is 360, then half of it must be 180. So from C all the way around to D must be 180 degrees. So I'm going to take away this 71, and I should be left with everything from B to D. So this particular problem would be 180, take away 71, and that should be the measure of the angle. So 180 take away 71 is 109 degrees. Now we're looking for A to D, and I'm going to do the same exact thing. I know that this red angle that's marked on the screen is 109 degrees. So what if I take away the 38 degree angle that we see here? I'm just slowly going to erase that angle until I'm left with A to D. So that'd be 109, take away the 38, 109 minus 38, is 71 degrees. And so we find out that this angle is the same as BC. This is 71 degrees, or we can mark the inside with 71. To double check that I've done this correctly, these three angles should add up to 180 degrees. The 71, the 38, and the other 71 make half the circle. And if you add them up, you will find that they add up to be 180 degrees. So we know that CD is 180. The last problem is looking for B, D, and C. So I'm going to erase that 71 degrees. And we're trying to go from B through D all the way around to C. And it's darn near the whole circle, but we're missing a piece of it. We're missing this section right here. And we know that this section is 71 degrees because of the angle is given to us. So I'm going to take the whole circle, 360, take away the part that's missing, which is the 71, and we're going to be left with 289 degrees. So the homework tonight is going to be asking you to solve for these missing arcs.